Whether you are interested in finding a side hustle, starting a new full-time enterprise, or changing the business model behind your existing online store, dropshipping may be the answer you're looking for. And if you stay to the end of this video, you will learn the benefits of dropshipping and how to make it a profitable side hustle and even quit your day job. So what is a dropshipping business model? In a dropshipping business model, you promote products and also provide an online storefront where customers can buy this product. So when a customer places an order, you send the order to the dropshipper and inform customers that the products are on the way. The rest of the physical fulfillment process is out of your hands. In some dropshipping arrangements, you may also handle customer service, while the dropshipping service manages only the physical goods and fulfillment. So now the question that begs an answer: how does dropshipping really work? So the exact logistics of dropshipping depends on your arrangements, like we said earlier, but typically the dropshipping process follows this general sequence. First off, the seller signs an agreement with the dropshipper, while the customer orders the product online. The seller receives the order of what the customer has ordered, and then the customer receives an order confirmation from the seller. The seller then forwards the order confirmation to the dropshipper, and the dropshipper ships the order finally to the customer. So dropshipping may appeal to entrepreneurs looking to sell generic products, but it can limit opportunities to build a brand and differentiate products. Businesses that use dropshipping may wind up competing on price, leading to low margins. Let's take a look at the potential pros and cons of dropshipping. In e-commerce, as in life, there are advantages and disadvantages to any fulfillment approach. Whether the gains are worth the pain largely depends on your goals and business situation. Here are potential pros and cons to consider when weighing whether dropshipping is the right business for you. The potential benefit of dropshipping include: number one, we have the overhead cost. Since you don't store or ship the products, dropshipping has the potential to lower overhead costs, such as maintaining a large storage facility or sending products to customers. Number two, we have starting cost. Entrepreneurs looking to start a business with minimal investment may turn to dropshipping, as they don't need to invest in facilities or resources to process orders. Number three, we have reduced risk. Since you don't have to pay for inventory, there's less risk of losing money due to lost merchandise or over-ordering products. Number four, we have multi-channel selling. You can use dropshipping for your business while selling on your own domain through a store like Amazon or social media channels, or all of the above. Number five, operating location. Dropshipping allows you to fulfill orders regardless of your operation location, opening up a possibility to work from anywhere. Number six, we have scalability. Leveraging suppliers can make it feasible to accept more orders without increasing the inventory you store, package, and ship. Number seven, we have wide variety of products. Depending on your agreement, there might be no need to pre-purchase inventory, so you can sell a broad range of items and increase your earning potential. Number eight, we have flexibility. So are you not sure of what goods to sell? Dropshipping allows you to test different goods to see what sells best without worrying about losing your investment. Now that we've talked about the benefits of dropshipping, let's really take a look at the potential limitations for dropshipping. We have number one, competition. Given the low cost and investment to get started, dropshipping is a highly competitive field. Number two, we have product quality. Dropshipping reduces your involvement in the order fulfillment process, curtailing your ability to monitor and guarantee product quality. Number three, we have branding. Because the product you sell may not be unique or distinguishable from similar offerings by other sellers, you could have trouble differentiating your offerings. Number four, profit margins. Little to no product differentiators means your business may end up competing more aggressively on price. Selling at low prices can eat up your profit margin. Number five, we have fulfillment timeline. When a dropshipping service handles the fulfillment process, you do not have control over order selection, packaging, and even shipment. Number six, we have inventory management. Up to the minute update on what is available in stock may not be possible. If a customer places an order only to find the product is out of stock, the poor experience can discourage future orders and even damage your brand. Number seven, you have range of offers. Because you don't handle order fulfillment, you may be limited in the special offers and promotions you can run, such as bundling or even free shipping. Number 8, we have supplier errors. Low quality dropshippers may make mistakes when fulfilling customer orders. This could lead to botched orders, low-end packing, and even missing items. Number 9, we have complex customer service. With dropshipping, you are still responsible for your reputation and keeping customers happy. If things go wrong with the fulfillment process, managing customer support might be up to you. So I hope this video has been able to guide you about the perks of starting a dropshipping business. If you want to see more videos like this that will teach you more about dropshipping and other side hustle, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update when it drops. See you in the next video. Ciao.